Mukarigite wankiama Sports Kenya irerungamirite WAAKI bakieni gya KINORU aruga kieni kiu gya KINORU gikarika ndene tuku 45 cijite abisa ujo ura wijikena ta Charles Waithaka aruga ati WAAKI bunthe iburikite na nandi kira gitigere ni gwakwarangia ki Waithaka akiaria nguruki na atumirite ati kinya kieni gya kirubia ntere chechuka kinyakyo gikarika bimebiri nyuma ya KINORU kurika muthuri Muriuki na report yeje.
Akinyite kieni gya KINORU mukarigitwa Sport Kenya no Charles Waithaka augite mwankire nandi kieni giki igithengerete kurika kwa nduko 45 gikethwa ikirika.
We are at the tail end of handing over this stadium, so what we are doing is actually giving it a final look and final touch by adding or painting the national color, because this is an international stadium, and we want to assure the public that these stadiums will be completed in the next maximum of 45 days and handed over to the community. Also saying in this region we are constructing Chuka Stadium. Also we are inspecting Chuka Stadium. We are also handing it over alongside this stadium this week or 2 weeks after.
Amana bubu andu barabombo tonye kieni giki na antu 30.
This facility will comfortably host around 30,000 facilities that have achieved international standard with all the facilities that goes with an international facility.
Na nguruki kwa kieni giki rugurwa timu mwanya ndene kaunti Miru igethwa china kanya gucheza kieni giki.
No teams that will be coming in here. There will be local teams that will be training here. And it's going to create a lot of activities around economic areas of this place. So it's a game changer, has achieved its international standard, and it is going to open this place for economic support to the community. First, there will be international teams that will be coming in here. There will be local teams that will be training here. And it's going to create a lot of activities around economic areas.
Nkiripotera, Juma, Muthuri Muriuki.